Guys, breakfast tayo. Mansanas, saging, itlog, at saka mais, at saka Milo. Yan guys. Apat na pirasong mais, dalawang itlog, isang mansanas at dalawang saging at isang tasang Milo. Good morning, good morning, good Sunday, morning Sunday guys.